So, this is a game called Combination Lock. Now, you're probably thinking, well, I never recall ever hearing a game show like this. Well, this DOS game was based upon a high schooler in 1989 that just wrote a synopsis for some game show. Well, then it got picked up to be made as a DOS game in 1992. It eventually did have a game show. It ran briefly in 2008. If you go to Wink Martindale's old YouTube channel, you can find some of the episodes on there. Though it will work a little differently than it does here. Let's see. And then, here's a Novus. Get that. All right. So how it works to get an answer question. Now, what we're trying to do is get the 3 numbers for the combination lock. So behind these are either the ones that lock. There's one that's cash, gets you extra money, and there's burglar that takes away $400. So we'll go with 6. Nope, that's not it. Footstools, Otterman, instrument. Nope.
2.
I got one of them. Thomas Jerry Chip is in Dale. We'll go. Oh, I got another one. Best. Oh, I always have to guess.
1.
Bandits of Gorillas, the cluster.
2. 1.
Oh. Green.
1. 3.
Oh, I didn't get it yet. Jersey TV is Milestones.
2.
Time. Yep, time. Alright, so let's see. Nope. Stars Jaws, directed by Steven Spielberg.
Burglar.
Oh, I lost my money. The part of the movie to cover
3.
Nope.
2.
Alright, so now we have the combinations. Let's get busy is 2.
2.
No.
1.
Alright, that's Arsenal Hall, right? Alright, so he tries one of the combinations to see if it is the one that unlocks the lock that has the cash. 37, 36, 48. Is it? It is called Combination Lock. Anna Neal's married children is Sherman Hensley is to... Oh, man. Yes. Alright, let's see what... Alright. 48. 36. 37. Is it? It is! So we won the first round. So same thing as before. The part of the movie is One Night Played Claudette Kilbert. The original is given to...
3.
No.
2. Burglar.
Oh, I got the burglar. Best...
1.
Alright, so we'll go 5. Nope. The Munsters is Herman. The Simpsons is the Homer.
2.
No! That's one of them. The part of the movie The Wizard of Oz played by Billy Burke is the original given to...
1.
Alright. That's 2 of the combination. And to 3, the West Side Story is to...
2.
No.
1.
Oh, I get it. The American flag stars are white, as the Vietnam flag stars are...
3.
Yellow. I figured. No. It's best... Best actor was...
1.
No.
2.
No. Bella Little Brick Horn was the Indian War... New Orleans...
1.
War 1812.
Dash.
Oh, I got more money. Des Moines, Iowa. Alright. Got the huge lead now. Make My Tickets Dirty Harry is No More Hangers.
1.
That was... Alright, let's see. 34. 73. 74. Is it? No, it isn't. Replay on. The British nappy is diaper is draughts is to...
3. 2.
You Make My Life with somebody, Debbie Boone. I Am a Tiger was,
2.
Stallone. Yep. Let's see. 34. 74. Is it? No, it isn't. The part of the movie Graduate was played Dustin Hoffman was originally riveted to De Niro? No.
1.
Alright, he's trying. 73. 34. 34. Is it? No, it is not. 3 combinations remain. And that's the way it is. Walter Cronkite's Good Night and God Bless was,
2.
no.
1.
Best supporting actress,
1.
oh, that was a guess. Right. 74. 34. 73. Is it? No! It's too low remade. This one gets exciting. Best director, Victor Fleming. Best picture was,
3. 2.
Alright. 74. 73. 34. No! Alright, whoever gets this question right is gonna get it. Arachnophobia sphere, man, ornithorobia. Birds?
2.
We got it! 73. 74. 34. We win with $1,850 to go into the bonus round! Alright. I keep what I have so far. Now I can keep on going and get racking up. If I hit burglar, I lose whatever half of the bonus. We'll go with 7.
No.
Let's go. 14.
No.
One more. We're pressing luck. Now
Yeah.
walk away. $11,940.